Janine from Blush Dance UK, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this super sexy Panther move. So first of all, we're going to drop our hands out in front of us, and we'll drop it into a press-up position. From here, we're going to press our chest down into the floor, remembering to keep our hips and our bottoms raised. So again, hands out in front, chest down, hips and bottom up. From here, we're going to think about sliding our chest along the floor, hips being the last thing to come down, and then we can stretch out there. Now to reverse the Panther, we're going to again press our chest down into the floor, but this time we're going to remember to put our weight into our hands, and then the last thing we do is lift our hips up there, pressing back into our original position. One more time, hands out in front, chest down, hips up, sliding along the floor. We stretch, and then to come back, we're pressing our hands into the floor, chest, hips up, and sit back in your original position. I'm Janine at Blush Dance UK, thank you for watching.